In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items on Trello. Deleting can be a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the right steps to ensure you are managing your boards efficiently and safely. First, let's navigate to the Trello website by entering trello.com into your browser. Once you're on the home page, look to the upper right corner and click on the Login button. Now you can log in using your preferred method, whether it's through Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack, or even by entering your email address directly. After successfully logging into your Trello account, you'll need to decide whether you want to delete a card or a whole board. Let's start with cards. The first thing you need to do when it comes to removing a Trello card is to archive it. This essentially moves the card to an archived section, making it preferable for deletion. Open the card you wish to delete. On the right hand side you will find an option labelled Archive. Click it and your card will be moved to the archive section. Once your card has been archived, you'll now see a delete option pop up. Be sure to confirm the deletion when prompted. Remember that this is a permanent action, and once deleted, recovering your card is not possible. So ensure you're deleting the right card before you confirm. Now if you need to delete an entire board, here's what to do. First, open the board you want to delete. Go to the top right corner where you'll see the board menu, represented by 3 dots. Clicking this will give you a list of options. From here, select the option that says Close Board. A confirmation button will appear in red, asking you to close the board. Go ahead and click Close. After closing the board, Trello will notify you that the board is closed. But don't worry, we're not done yet. In the right hand menu, you'll see an option to permanently delete board. Clicking this option will finalize the deletion. Just like deleting a card, please remember that this too is irreversible. It's crucial to note that deleting in Trello is a permanent action and cannot be undone once confirmed. When deleting a workspace, be mindful that it closes all boards within it as well. Therefore, it's recommended to double check each item before you proceed with deletion. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently delete items on Trello, whether it's a singular card or an entire board. Keep this guide handy for any future organization cleanup you might need to do on Trello. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.